My name is Hannah Whitcomb. I am the founder of Health for Kids. I will be talking about the importance of a healthy lifestyle for individuals with Down syndrome. I have a very close friend, and her name is Anne. She has Down syndrome, and she is the most wonderful person I know. She has had some significant health problems in the past. In the past year, her family has begun to put a big focus on making healthy choices. This has helped her health improve, and she has just become the happiest person ever because of these positive health changes. As I help support Anne in her healthy lifestyle by taking her on walks, doing fun workout classes together, and making healthy recipes with her. I'm wanting to help her, so I have to make those good decisions too. As we prioritize healthy food choices, adding in more movement and exercise and less screen time, this helps her increase in her communication skills, overall mood, and quality of life. Adding in more good things and filtering the less good things improves Anne's health. My call to action to you is by supporting your loved ones and helping them make those healthy choices. You have to be an example. Thank you for listening to my message today. You can find all of our social medias at Health for Kids or healthforkids.com. We have lots of great information on those sites, on our socials and on our website, and information about classes and how you can help your loved ones with Down syndrome. Thank you.